I'm going to have some old footage of an older computer that I ended up building. This is just going to be a much shorter review rather than a full-blown PC build, installing this, setting it up, and just all going over all the other parts. The reason that I like this AIO is because of the aesthetics of it. It's white, goes great with all the white builds that I do. And then this right here, it looks black in this image, but when you take it out of the box and you go to install it, it's like a mirror. It has like this silver mirror effect. And I'm going to show you this right here. So you can kind of see, I'm hoping, see how it's a mirror. I had to go get my CPUs. So 13900, get a 360 millimeter AIO. 13700, same thing. I wouldn't recommend a 240 millimeter liquid cooler, but you could actually get away with it, and your CPU is going to stay perfectly cool. It's going to last a very long time, etc. 13500, again, this is going to be perfect. Anything under a 13500, this is going to be good for. So right here, 13400, again, perfectly fine. If you notice, these two actually come with the stock cooler. They're both in there. I don't use these very often. So this right here doesn't. There's no stock cooler because it's not, or because it's a warm CPU. This right here, again, no stock cooler because it's a warm CPU. So if your CPU actually comes with a cooler, you don't need anything super special to keep the CPU cool. If it doesn't come with a cooler, that means it's a warm CPU and you're going to need something good in order to keep the CPU running cool, have the CPU offering the maximum performance, and just having it last longer because it's not running as hot. So I recommend this. It's a really good, it's a nice AIO. It looks cool. It's not loud. It has all the other features that every other AIO has. I just recommend it. But 13700, you can get away with it. Recommend a 360 millimeter AIO though, which I'm not even going to go get all those boxes because I literally have like 20 different ones. So yeah.